I must thank the organizers who had given me this opportunity to be here at Sana meeting. This is my first attendance at the Sana meeting. I had always heard a lot about it, but never had the opportunity to be in USA at the time. And this time, especially Kalbani family, they invited me and asked me to be here for this morning. And the topic they asked me to talk about, women's health. Naturally, what I'm going to tell you regarding women's health is not what is a woman's health in the country you are living. But I'm going to talk about what is happening to women today where I work. And I'm sure Dr. Shireen Kalwani would remember the time she used to be my resident. And at that time, women would be coming in, and we'll try all our efforts to save them. But Allah was always with us. And so the care of a woman's health doesn't start when she is pregnant or she comes to us or when she's at menopause, but it starts from womb to tomb. It's all right, doesn't matter. Because if you don't care for a woman when she's being developed, at that time she needs more care, because I'm sure all you physicians must know that whatever the surroundings at the time a child is being developed in the womb has a lot of bearing on child's development later on, mental health, physical health. So really speaking, she should be cared when she is still under the development. And when she is, before she goes to the grave, she also needs a lot of care. It's not only during pregnancy, but she needs a lot of, as a young girl, she needs a build-up of confidence, education. You know that in our part of the world, female education incidence is very low. At moment, statistically, it is 30.5% female and 45 to 50% male literacy rate. Although the government is trying level best to bring it up. So the education, giving her the confidence, giving her the right to, shall I move it forward?
Yeah.
Sorry. Care of a, can you go forward? Care of a girl child. No, it's still forward. Yes. Forward, please. Yes. Knowledge. Anyway, knowledge about use of contraception and birth control. Again, as in our, where I practice, it's a male decision, and number two is although it's a female who makes a decision, but she by that time is a mother-in-law. And mother-in-law plays a lot of role, and I'm sure here you will also agree that mother-in-law has, in most of the cultures, mother-in-law has a lot of role to play. How many babies daughter-in-law should have, and whether they are the girls or boys. In fact, it has been noticed that in a family who lives in a village where there are 2 girls, 2 boys, but everyone would be feeding the boy first and the girl second. I remember once delivering twins. It's only 10 years ago, and one of the assistants said that the mother has brought only clothes for 1 baby, and one of the senior nurse came and she said, all right, let's put these clothes over the boy and wrap the girl with a towel. So with us, still this kind of distinction puts a woman at number 2. We say that why our pregnant women are anemic? Because they are the last to eat. They first have to feed their husband, then their boys, then if anything left, the girls, and in the end she has whatever is left, she eats. She's the last to eat. That's why she always remains in her poor of health. Again, as I said, a girl child. Can we have a girl child? Slide on. No, just the girl child. Yeah. She needs education, nutrition, and immunization for these. We are fortunate recently. We have national programs for polio vaccination, smallpox, rubella, but at the moment we still have a lot of hepatitis.